girl Estelle. Good boy Stu. Stu. Good girl, Bigwig.
He tried. It wasn't. I gotta pet this guy.
She's a girl.
Friendly?
Yeah, she's a girl. Her name's Bigwig.
Hi, sweetie. I love puppies. Cool.
She's afraid if you come over her head like that. I think if you come down like this, she's more approachable.
It's okay. Oh, sorry, buddy.
Oh. Bigwig. Good girl.
It's okay. I love puppos.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Good girl.
Have a good sniff. Good girl.
Yeah, she's getting to know you.
Good girl.
Good girl,
Can I give you a
Bigwig.
scratch?
Good girl.
Good puppy. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Her name's Bigwig.
Bigwig. You're beautiful.
Yeah.
Good girl. Enjoy your walk. Thanks for letting me pet you, sweetie.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, good girl.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's
Good
a
girl.
puppy. Enjoy your walk, buddy.
Yeah,
Thanks
thank
for letting
you.
me scratch you.
All right, cheers.
Have a great day, sir.
Thanks, you too. Good girl. Good girl.
Hi.
Hi, Angela.
Hi, big girl. How are you?
Good, how are you?
That's
Oh,
a good
she
girl.
loves you. She probably smells olive on you.
That's a
But
good
you're
girl.
just a good dog person anyway, so she loves you.
Good girl, yeah. You coming?
Good girl, Bodie. Good girl, DM.